Hey guys, a video on the S&P 500. Yeah, I've been thinking for the past half an hour here again, and I've changed the count again because I think it didn't make a lot of sense to label it as a WXY. Okay, it did, but it makes more sense like this, I think. Now I was working on this target box for wave Z here. Ultimately, it doesn't change too much. We still want to move down, but I want to get the correct box. I have looked at a few different Elliott Wave papers and analysts, and yeah, you can calculate the box for wave Z from the W to this X wave, but also from this Y wave to this X wave. So I'll try both first, and then we can see if they're similar, or we can like delete one or keep them both. But this one we already passed. This one is out of reach. We want to stay below the 1.236. So this is the box if you take it from the W to the X wave, and then one more way to do it is to take it from here to here to here, which gives us a little bit of a lower box, okay? So the higher one comes from this higher part, the lower one comes from this lower part, okay? So meaning that ultimately I'm just gonna draw a box here like this. We have the point of control of this range here sitting here as well, together with the 1.236, and then we have the 1.236 of the upper target box here, the 1-to-1 of this lower target box. And then what we can do here, I'm also, by the way, changing to the WXYXZ because this looks a little bit like a 5-wave move. Like it's going to be a 5-wave move. We have not taken this low yet, but I'm assuming we will in a bit. With that, I think we will get a bounce, and this could then be an A wave, okay? I already labeled this as an A wave here potentially, but with now this price action, clearly it's gonna go for a 5-wave move, and then we have to put the A here. After 5-wave move, you want to see a move in the opposite direction, which we might get then in a B wave, and then still a 5-wave move down to complete this Z wave, which should be an ABC, okay? So with that, it would be nice to, if we take the low here, to move up by quite a bit, okay? If we do that, the higher we can go, the less deep the C wave has to be, okay? If we take, for example, Fips, let's assume we're gonna move down here and then do a B wave. We want the B wave to get somewhere here, okay, that we can pull a C wave target box that is also within this range that we have here, okay? If it's very shallow, then this target box goes down and below this range, and it would be nice to get extra confidence here, okay? So take this low now, then get a bounce, and then move one more time down. Would be really nice. 4 hourly, I mean, we reached oversold, but if you want to make one more dip, we should go down again. However, we can still label this as an ABC, and then this as well an ABC, okay? It doesn't have to be a 5-wave move down. It can be a 3-wave move. ABC would allow the 886 hit because a B wave can even overshoot ABC. So we have multiple options in here, okay? I know it's getting messy, but I'm sorry. A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow. We don't have the multi 1-2s here like we do here with the 4 5s, but that's okay. Then A, B, and then now a C wave up. And then from there, we can, calculate that box. Or, like I said, we could move down here, take this low, make this 5-wave move then complete. And then from here, go up before we move down. So ultimately what I'm expecting is either a direct move up, or maybe take this, move down, and then move up. And after that, we want to do one more leg down, one more shakeout. And yeah, ultimately this box here stays the most important region, especially around the $6,700 level. Okay, I hope this makes sense to you. So A, either done or still about to finish. B, and then C. I'll put it in pink like this. And then once we get this B wave, I can add one more box here for this pink C wave. And then we have, I think, a solid area to watch. Okay. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.